Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be Quail Ghee Roast. It helps in increasing the bone strength, builds up immunity, reduces respiratory or lung problems. Let's have the look on how to make it. This quail roast is extremely spicy, tasty and delicious. Don't miss to relish this recipe with your family. It goes extremely well with ghee rice. Let's have a look on how to make it. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell notification for latest updates. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So first we'll be taking about half kg of quail or approximately 4 pieces, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, salt 2 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder, hot chilli 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, whole black peppercorns half Once the water starts to boil, cover with a lid